Hi Srikanth.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing well, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Yes, Srikanth. Where are you from?
I'm from Jaital district, sir.
Okay, and what is your educational qualification?
Sir, I have done my MBA in finance from CNDPG College, Hyderabad.
Okay, and about your family?
Comes to my family, we are four in the family. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I have one sibling. She got married.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC Institute?
I got to know about SVC Institute through Instagram.
What did you learn from SVC during this 2.5 months training?
During from these 2.5 months, I learned about investment banking, accounting, corporate actions, mergers, derivatives, and bonds and debentures.
Fine. And share your interview experience.
Sir, mainly they conducted 3 rounds of interview. First interview is HR personal interview, and second one is assessment test, and final one is manager round. Mostly they ask you about the investment banking, corporate actions, mergers, accounting, and sometimes journal entries also.
Okay, good to know that. And when you are going to join?
I'm going to join in this month 27.
Okay, and what is the salary package?
They given 3.7 LPA.
Fine. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.